we will try to simplify an expression involving the sum or difference, the adding or the subtracting of two polynomials. You may notice, you should pause the video for a second and see if you can tell why I colored the different pieces of these polynomials in their respective different colors. Okay, assuming that you've paused the video and tried to figure that out on your own for a moment, I'm going to, as a first step on this problem, get rid of the parentheses. The way we generally get rid of parentheses is to distribute where necessary. So I've got a distributive property coming through on those pieces. So we end up having 6w squared plus the number 3 subtracted by, when we distribute the negative through on the 4w squared, or subtraction through, we end up getting a minus 4w squared. Then the minus of a negative turns into a positive or a plus sign, so we're going to be plussing a 7w. And when we subtract a positive, that means that we're actually subtracting, and so we're subtracting the number 2. Okay, notice they're still colored nicely. 6w squared minus 4w squared combines to become 2w squared, because 6 minus 4 is just 2. So let me cross these out so I make sure I don't touch them anymore. They're completely finished with. In the green, not a w squared but a w, we have a positive or a plus 7w. So as my next part, I'm going to put plus 7w. Okay, and let me cross that out so I don't touch that one anymore, because it's done. Now we have these two number pieces, a plus 3 or a positive 3, and that's being subtracted by 2. Of course, 3 minus 2 is the number 1, positive 1, so at the end I'll put a plus 1. And so the final answer to this problem is 2w squared plus 7w plus 1.